Assembly video for our anti-theft Samsung tablet floor stand. Attach the base. Attach the column to the base using the provided bolts and through the underside of the base, then using the provided hex wrench, tighten until secure. Freestanding base option. If the stand does not need to be attached to the ground and will be used freestanding, insert the plugs into the holes in the base. Wood surface installation option. To secure the base to a wood surface, mark the location you are going to drill through the holes in the base. Secure the stand base using the provided screws. Concrete surface installation option. To secure the stand base to a concrete surface, mark the location you are going to drill through the holes in the base. Remove the base and then use a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit and drill pilot holes to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the stand base using the provided screws. Attach the tablet case to the column. Attach the tablet case to the end of the column in the orientation shown here, using the provided bolts through the 4 bolt holes in the center of the case. Insert the tablet. Open the tablet case using the key. Position the adjustable sliders according to your tablet model. Insert the tablet and power cable, then close and lock the case. Height adjustment. Adjust the height of the column by loosening the knob on the back of the column, then slide the inner column up or down and tighten the knob back down at the desired height. Rotation. The tablet case may be rotated 90 degrees to change between landscape and portrait orientation. Tilt adjustment. To adjust the tilt and viewing angle of the tablet, loosen the bolts on each side of the joint behind the tablet case using the hex wrench, then adjust to the desired angle and tighten the bolts back down. Alternate visa step. For mounting of other products or enclosures that require a 100 by 100 millimeter visa mounting surface, attach the provided visa extensions to the mounting plate using the provided bolts.